Welcome to CAD CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you this exercise, the use of a line command in a Creo parametric. This is the first exercise using the line command. Okay, take a screenshot. This is the exercise number 1. Okay, go through in Creo how to draw this exercise in a Creo. Okay, exercise 1. So first go to close. Okay, new part. Okay, sketch, take any plane, sketch. This line is the construction line. This line is the construction line. Construction line is the basically used for the reference. So draw a, see this, and take a picture. Okay, and then draw. Here starting to here, this way, then here, mouse middle button, this way you will draw. Okay, then here, then double click on the mouse middle button to execute this command and then resize. Okay, and then edit the dimension as per drawing. This dimension is drag and drop. Okay, then double click on this dimension and edit and keep the 7.2. take the dimension 7.20. Okay, and then this height is 23.2. Okay, then this dimension 23.2. Okay, more. How to move? Press a shift, then mouse middle button, and then move this model as per your requirement. Okay, then edit the dimension here, this way, and then this click here and then click here, and then put the dimension 46.8. Okay, and then this dimension is here, this dimension, drag and drop. .2. Okay, this way, and then angle is not here, but you will take this. How to take a angle? This, go through the normal, then click this construction line, then click this line, and then again click this middle and take this dimension, take a 50 degree. Okay, it's more 20 degree, it's enough. Okay, and then take this dimension for 60.8. Okay, and then this is okay. It's 46. This dimension is a 46.8. Okay, then click mouse middle button 2 times to execute this command. Okay, otherwise you click here select. Okay, execute this command and then take this dimension for 32 is 32. Okay, it's variable, so delete this line and take a relation is and then delete this relation and then relation is a 32.8. Okay, and then this dimension is 23.4. Okay, and then take a line how to meet this line. So click the coincident, click first line, then click second line, then this line is joined. Okay, this way. How to arrange this way? This is the normal view. Okay, and then shift then move. Okay, so your dimension is 72 point here, and then this dimension is a 60.8. Okay, then 32 it's okay, 70 it's okay, and 46 take this dimension. Okay, 46.8. Okay, Control Z, zoom out, control plus mouse middle button, then up and down this way. $120. Okay, otherwise you will how to keep this dimension here, click here and here, then mouse middle button and then delete second. Okay, and then put this dimension. Okay, as per your drawing 46.8. it's not because here dimension, so take a dimension 70 here, 70.2. Okay, and then define again 46.8. Take a dimension as per drawing is not taken here, so because height is here, so height will be deleted this way. Now mouse middle button and then click here and then delete. Okay, this way you will arrange. And how to use this normal command? Click here and here and then middle, it's 120. Okay, this way you will arrange, and then height is here, height is 32, so So click here, mouse middle button 2 times and then execute this command, and then take this dimension is 23.4. okay, this way, and then try to again 46.8. okay, not it because the height is all around here, this way and this way, and then double click here, this way height with here, then you add 23.4 plus 70.2 plus 23.4 and enter. okay, this way you will define the dimension. okay, I think resize this way. okay, and arrange the dimension outside. okay, outside here, take a dimension outside. okay, this way, and the dimension easily this way, outside the drawing, not inside the drawing. okay, this way you will easily arrange the angle in a perfect manner. okay, only one dimension is not edited here. okay, so take a as per your requirement. okay, not more issue, otherwise you will place this angle here to here and then click here. okay, and then 117 deleted here. okay, and then take this dimension. okay, 20 here, this way. okay, otherwise if you want to define this overall dimension, click here and click here and then click here. This way you will define. So you need to delete this and then define the dimension 300. okay, this way you will define. Normal is basically use this way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more exercise in a Creo Param.